You see, that's what you want. That's what you want with every course once you install. OJ channel, starter strip, straight.
You can see the lumber. What we've done here, instead of putting a column on the bottom, here we just installed vinyl cedar shake siding on this house. We're on the front now, and as you can see, it was a tear-off. A siding and carpentry work at John's house from Livingston. And John, basically, we want to say, what do you think about the job that we just completed?
Again, it's excellent work. This is the second time Bruce and his crew have worked here. They resided the whole house, and I was very pleased. And when I needed this extra work done, I decided to call Bruce firsthand, not even getting any other proposals.
For your free consultation and estimate, or go to one of our websites.
Herman Flores in Garfield, New Jersey. Herman, we just finished your vinyl siding. Let me ask you, what do you think about the quality of the work? That's fantastic. And let me ask you, what did you think? I know we were on a budget. What did you think about the price? Did we work with you?
Trim board, we're getting a nice tan look on it. We have some cold molding between the blocks. It's just finishing up right now. OJ channel, starter strip, straight.